Good afternoon to all of you. Let's continue part 7, class 10, science, chapter 4, hydrocarbon. Those substances which are made of carbon and hydrogen only, called hydrocarbon. Clear? Means there is only hydrogen and carbon, like methane, ethane. Clear? There is no other elements like oxygen and hydrogen. For example, we see in the glucose there is hydrogen, carbon and oxygen also. But there the hydrocarbons containing only hydrogen and carbon. Now types of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon are of two types. First one, saturated hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon in which single bond is present between carbon and carbon atom, called saturated hydrocarbon. They are commonly known as alkane. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Means the carbon which have only single bond in it. For example, let's consider N is equal to 1. Here N is the number of carbon. Clear class? N is the number of carbon. So we take N is equal to 1. If N is equal to 1, then 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. That means C1H4. And you need not to represent 1 here, because if you don't write anything, it's considered as 1. So the formula is CH4. That is methane. That is methane. Clear? And you write methane like this. Only single bonds, and these all bonds are attached by the hydrogen. Clear? So these are the saturated hydrocarbon. Means you can't break these to attach any other atom or element. It is already satisfied. Saturated hydrocarbons are already saturated, means already satisfied. They need not to break any bond to attach any other. Clear? That's why they is known as saturated hydrocarbon. The next class is unsaturated hydrocarbons. So those hydrocarbon in which double bond or triple bond is present is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. And double bond and triple bond where it is present between the carbon-carbon atom. Clear? So unsaturated hydrocarbon having two types, alkene and alkyne. Alkene, if double bond is present between carbon-carbon atom, called alkene. Their general formula is CnH2n. Suppose N is equal to 2. Here also N is the number of carbon. So C2. If we consider N2, that means C2. H2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So the formula is C2H4. C2H4. Look here. C2 and H4. 2 hydrogen here and 2 here. Clear? But carbon valency is 4. So when you attach 2 hydrogen and 1 carbon, so it's a triple bond, but it's need 4. Its balance is 4. So attached by another bond. So here is a double bond formation. Clear? So this is the basic property of alkenes, having double bond between carbon atom. Clear? Next, alkyne. If triple bond is present between carbon-carbon atom, called alkyne, their general formula is CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. Let's consider N is equal to 2. You can consider any other more. So N is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So formula is H2. Look here. C2 H2 means only 2 hydrogen are attached. So 1 here and 1 here. But valency of carbon is 4. So there is only 2 band. But we need it balance. But we need 4 tetra 4 bonds here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now by this triple bond, carbon satisfied for is valency. Clear? And formation of triple bond. Now why these are known as unsaturated? Because the double bond and the triple bond break down and form more products. Double bond and triple bond can be break down and form more products. These are not stable. But in saturated hydrocarbon, only single bond is here. How it is break or attached to another atom? Not possible. So, these two categories of hydrocarbons, saturated and unsaturated, on the behalf of bond found in it. Clear? We'll continue in our next video.